Unlocking oil is a huge milestone, as you're finally able to graduate from coal power into fuel power, unleashing the ability to build massive power plants, which will take you to the next level of satisfactory pioneering. Now normally, a pure oil node will provide you with 240 cubic meters of crude oil per minute. Using the default recipe, we can use that to create fuel, which takes 60 cubic meters of crude oil per minute and produces 40 cubic meters of fuel per minute, as well as some polymer resin. With the amount of oil that we have from one pure node, we can power 4 refineries to produce fuel that can power 8 fuel generators. To take advantage of this better way, we need to take advantage of 2 important alternate recipes. The first being heavy oil residue, which takes 30 cubic meters of crude oil per minute and produces 40 cubic meters of heavy oil residue per minute. The second alternate being diluted packaged fuel, which takes 30 cubic meters of heavy oil residue per minute and creates 60 packaged fuel per minute. Now this alternate also does need 60 packaged water per minute. So in order to take advantage of this, we need to also include packagers in our power plant design. Now each packager takes 60 cubic meters of water per minute as well as 60 empty canisters per minute. However, once you add these empty canisters, you can just have them infinitely recycle themselves through this loop. Our second fluid packager unpackages the packaged fuel from our alternate recipe, creating 60 cubic meters of fuel per minute. Now with 10 2/3 refineries at a rate of 60 cubic meters per minute, we're producing 640 cubic meters of fuel per minute. Now keep in mind, with the basic recipe, we're only producing 160 from the same amount of oil. Now with this arrangement, we are consuming much more power, but we're still well below 1000 megawatts, and the fuel gains make this so worth it. With 640 cubic meters of fuel per minute, we are able to produce enough fuel for 32 fuel power generators, producing 8,000 megawatts of power. So while this is much more complicated and takes up a lot more space, quadrupling your power output seems well worth it to me.